Moonroofs have become a popular add-on for new vehicles, and for good reason. It provides a great view of the beautiful East Texas sky, you can let a breeze in when you're out for a cruise, and honestly, it's just a fun feature to have. But once you have a moonroof, how do you care for it? And better yet, how do you save yourself from a costly repair? Proper care of your moonroof starts with a basic rule: use it or lose it. Your moonroof is powered by a motor, and as we've explained before, a motor that sits is a motor that quits. So be sure to open and close your moonroof at least once a month to keep the motor running smooth. Similarly, be sure to wipe down the seal around your moonroof just like you would any other weather stripping on your vehicle to keep it from sticking. The second rule is to never carry anything on top of your moonroof, even if it's a short trip or an item that seems to be rather light. If you want to carry something on top of a vehicle with a moonroof, you must install some sort of rack system. Then make sure nothing is sagging underneath the rails, putting pressure on the glass. The last rule is a bit more involved, but still a necessity. Keep your moonroof free of debris. There are small channels all around your moonroof that allow it to drain. If these channels get clogged, the water that's not being drained can end up inside your vehicle. Replacing a moonroof can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000, so spend your time, not your money, by exercising, protecting, and cleaning your moonroof. If you have any other questions about operating your moonroof, or if you're in the market for a vehicle with one, call or visit Tipton Ford. And be sure to follow us on social for more Tipton tips on how you can spend less, drive more.